Good afternoon. Respected Shri Rajnath Singh Ji, Honorable Minister of Defense. Respected Shri H.D. Kumaraswamy Ji, Honorable Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprise. Respected Shri Yogi Adityanath Ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Respected Shri Keshav Prasad Maurya Ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Respected Shri Brajesh Pathak Ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Respected Shri Nand Gopal Gupta Ji. Respected Shri Suresh Khanna Ji. Respected Shri Daya Shankar Singh Ji. Respected Shri Rajvar Singh Ji. Ambassadors, High Commissioners, Deputy High Commissioners, and consuls from Indonesia, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Zimbabwe, Mauritius, Ivory Coast, Madagascar, Dominican Republic, Guyana, and Italy. Senior UP administration officials, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of my uncles, Prakash Ji and Ashok Ji, my brothers, Ajay and Shom, and all members of the Hinduja family and the Ashok Leyland team, I extend a very warm welcome to each of you to the inauguration of our Lucknow manufacturing plant. Today marks a significant milestone for Ashok Leyland and for Uttar Pradesh. This is our first manufacturing facility in the state, and it stands as a symbol of what can be achieved when vision is matched by decisive action. Under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Yogi Adityanath Ji, Uttar Pradesh has built the foundation that industry needs. Modern infrastructure, improved connectivity, strong law and order, and a responsive administration. Sir, the environment you have created enables the industry to move from planning to production with confidence. With such a positive experience in this initiative for Ashok Leyland, it has encouraged other Hinduja Group companies to also consider investing in UP. We are honored by the presence of Shri Rajnath Singh Ji. Your deep association with this land and national leadership continues to inspire us. Your commitment to strengthening India's security and fostering stability creates the confidence that drives investments and innovation. I would like to specially acknowledge Shri H.D. Kumaraswamy Ji. The Ministry of Heavy Industry plays a pivotal role in strengthening domestic manufacturing and supporting the transition to new energy solutions. Your vision for green energy and sustainable mobility is shaping the future of Indian industry. The Lucknow plant is fully aligned with that vision. Ashok Leyland's journey began in 1948. Over the decades, we have supported the movements of goods and people and contributed to national priorities. Our vision going forward is to be among the global top 10 commercial manufacturers. We continue to focus on staying ahead in technology, ensuring that our products and solutions remain future-ready and competitive on a global scale. Today, Ashok Leyland is present in over 50 countries, with a growing international footprint that reflects our commitment to quality and innovation. Through our subsidiary Switch, we have a comprehensive range of electric buses and light commercial vehicles, serving customers in India and across the globe. I believe now is the right time when Indian OEMs, with some support from the government, can expand into global markets. We have the right products, the right cost, and the right quality. We have been partnering with our armed forces since the last 40 years, being a trusted supplier of tactical vehicles. We look forward to supporting their needs with robust and innovative solutions in high mobility platforms and cutting-edge technologies such as drones and UAVs. While reflecting on our progress in technology, international operations, and defense, I am reminded of my father, Shri G.P. Hinduja ji's enduring influence. He constantly encouraged our teams to maintain leadership, to never rest on our past achievements, and above all, he took the bold decision over 20 years ago that Ashok Leyland must be self-reliant in technology. My father's vision and values will continue to guide us into the future as we strive for excellence and self-reliance. This plant in Lucknow is designed for the future. It brings together advanced manufacturing, digital processes, and the flexibility to produce vehicles across electric, alternate fuels, and evolving propulsion systems. What makes this achievement even more remarkable is the speed at which it was realized. From possession of land to commencement of production in just 14 months. This plant will create employment, build skills, and strengthen the local supplier and MSME ecosystem. In our experience over the years, we have seen that whenever we have created a plant, it has given rise to a whole community, and I'm confident this will happen over here as well. Our group operates on a very simple principle. My duty is to work so that I can give. One of our proudest initiatives is the Road to School program, which is already making a difference in Uttar Pradesh, impacting over 25,000 students in 181 schools. Road to School is a holistic intervention that goes beyond academics, focusing on nutrition, health, sports, and life skills for children in government schools. As we stand together on this proud occasion, I'm reminded that progress is not just measured by what we build, but by the lives we touch and the futures that we shape. I extend my sincere thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister and the Government of Uttar Pradesh, the local administration, our partners, and our teams for their support in making this project a reality. At Ashok Leyland, we believe that with determination and collaboration, no goal is beyond reach. Koi manzil dhool nahi. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you for those wonderful words. अब मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी मिनिस्टर ऑफ हेवी इंडस्ट्रीज एंड पब्लिक एंटरप्राइजेस ऑफ इंडिया श्री H.D. कुमारस्वामी जी को, जो देश के मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर को और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने